What if I told you there's a simple money formula that could take the stress out of budgeting, and it only uses three numbers: 50, 30, and 20. This rule has helped millions of people finally feel in control of their money. And today, I'll show you exactly how it works. Why budgeting feels hard. Let's be honest. Most of us hate budgeting. Spreadsheets, complicated apps, endless categories. It feels overwhelming. But here's the truth. Money doesn't need to be complicated. That's where the 50-30-20 rule comes in. It's simple, flexible, and you can start using it today. The formula explained. So here's the formula. 50% of your income goes to needs. 30% goes to wants. 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. That's it. 3 buckets. No stress, no endless tracking. Section 3. Breaking down each category. Let's break it down. Needs. 50%. This is your rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, transport, insurance. The essentials you can't live without. Wants. 30%. This is the fun stuff. Eating out, streaming subscriptions, shopping, travel. Basically, things that make life enjoyable but aren't essential. Savings and debt. 20%. This is your future money. It goes into savings accounts, retirement funds, investments, or paying off high-interest debt. A real-life example. Let's say you earn $3,000 a month after tax. Here's how the 50-30-20 rule would split it. $1,500 goes to needs. $900 goes to wants. $600 goes to savings or debt. That's the entire budget in under 30 seconds. Why it works. So why is this rule so powerful? Because it balances today with tomorrow. You get enough to cover your essentials, enough to enjoy life, and enough to build your future. Most people either spend everything on wants or try to save too aggressively and burn out. The 50-30-20 rule keeps you balanced. Tips to make it stick. Now, here are a few quick tips. Automate your savings. Set it up so money moves into savings the day you get paid. If your needs are more than 50%, that's okay. Adjust the percentages until they work for you. Review every few months. Life changes, so your budget should too. Remember, this isn't about being perfect. It's about having a plan. Final takeaway. At the end of the day, the 50-30-20 rule gives you financial clarity. It's a simple roadmap that takes the guesswork out of money and helps you live without constant stress. And the best part, you can start today. If this video helped make money feel a little simpler, hit that like button so more people can see it. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy money breakdowns and check out my other video on compound interest, the 8th wonder of the world. You'll thank yourself later.